In this video, we'll show you how to use Immersive View in Google Maps. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Immersive View is a cool new feature in Google Maps that lets you feel like you're flying through the streets of the city, giving you a 3D look at popular places or landmarks. To use it, open up Google Maps. Let's say we want directions from the Eiffel Tower to Champs-Élysées. Just type in Eiffel Tower and then Champs-Élysées for directions. Now, you'll see a new option for Immersive View if it's available for that location. Tap on it and Google Maps will start building the immersive view for your route. It will show whether it's daytime or nighttime, and you can watch it change in real time as you move through the city. Once it's ready, hit play to follow the route as if you're walking or driving through the streets. You'll also see the traffic conditions. Red areas mean slower traffic. It will guide you step by step, so you can get a better idea of what your walk, bike ride, or drive will look like. You can also swipe around the screen with your finger to navigate and see everything in 3D, adding to the experience. You can scrub through the timeline to view different moments of your route, like whether it's day or night. Keep in mind that this feature is still being rolled out, and it's currently available for popular tourist destinations. But they're expanding it to more locations. I hope this guide helps. If it did, hit the like button below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.